Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, I am going to explain HCL started their hiring for freshers, BE, BTech, MBA. So many candidates they are going to hire, almost 50,000 candidates they are going to hire in this year, which is going to be a record breaking for a HCL company. After so many years, they are hiring this much candidate. Pan India, they are going to hire now. So why this video? Because of so many candidates not get a IT job for the last 6 months. They didn't select any companies. So many troubles they are facing. For that, will be a good job for freshers from any domain they can apply. I'm going to explain everything. So spend few minutes in our channel. Don't skip out. If you have any doubt, comment me and share my channel and subscribe to my channel. Then only you may get a more update from my channel. This video is regarding about how to fill the form, how to log in, everything I am going to explain now. So don't skip out guys. Once again I am saying, if you skip out means you will miss so many opportunities and so many kind of domain role which they are opened now. I am going to explain each and every domain. So this is what the link which I am given in the description. You can click it, and if you are not create an account in HCL, just fill it your name, email address, phone number, select the state, city which, and just type it and register. After you are getting registered, you may get a verification mail which is sent it to your email ID. Afterwards, you may get a account like this. You just want to open the account like this. While clicking your mail itself, it will be open automatically. After opening, you just want to fill the application form, your profile, query, communication, opportunities, and logout. This is what the creating an account in HCL. These are all the roles they are open for. This is for technical roles. HCL offer a great opportunity tech survey enthusiastic individual from the careers of IT graduate from BE, BTech, CS, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Biomedical, Biotechnologies. You are responsible implementing enhancement and digital solution and DevOps and security automation. If you are done any certification in between in this role, you can start apply for technical role. And the next one will be, this is for MBA role. Those who are got passed out in 2021 or 2020 are going to pass out in 2023, they can apply for this role, GT, Business Consultant, Marketing, BMG. This is from domain role. If you have done any certification in outside, you can start apply with the domain role. They mention as a part of strategical team, we are looking for a talented driven graduate certification in CDA, AWS, SDP, PGA, any laws graduate, any graduate certification. If you are done, you can start applying by clicking here itself. It's almost 15 certification courses they are provided here. You can click here, start apply with your resume. So this is what their account, create account. They don't charge for the recruitment process. So anything if they got any charging fees means that is full and full fake IDs. So don't go for this fake links and fake IDs channels and fake IDs links. Don't spend any money. They won't ask single rupees from HCL company. It is one of the great opportunity. So just want to apply in their own portal. While application form, your profile, you just want to upload same as mandatory from every company name, registration number, 10th mark, 12th mark, everything they will ask out you. So apart from that, nothing there. This is what the 3 roles which you are looking for it. Whether you are going for technical role or if you are interested in any domain role, like which we are seeing here, cyber security, cloud, transmission, CAD, Oracle, and pricing, controller, labeling, audit, any role certification if you are done means you can start apply with that role. It will be helpful to start your career in a specific domain. Technical role will be after finishing your graduate, you are not interested in any certification, or if you are not done any certification, you can start apply with software engineering or software engineering DB, no problem. If you are MBA graduate, you can apply for this any 4th kind of marketing role or consulting manager, HR team, you can start apply here, no problem. This is what the good opportunities for HCL. So don't miss out guys. If your friend looking for a good job in IT, you can start career at HCL also. It is one of the topest MNCs from all over India. Each state their company will be 2 to 3 companies out there. So you can start your career in this role. The link will be open up to this month 31 only, so apply as much quick. If you are applied after finishing your application, you may get a mail that you have successfully completed your application form. They didn't send any exam link or exam date, they didn't mention. After filling the form, they will wash out you, then only they will select candidate and they will send the exam link. So don't make mistake in while applying. If you have any doubt regarding this, comment me. So I will just make this video for people, those who not get a IT job, for them only I did this role. So they mentioned here itself everything they provided here. If you have any queries, you can ask the queries in the side by side section itself. Here also we can see that what all the role, everything they mentioned here. These are all the things I am going to explain to you. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Start applying now itself. Share to your friends, those who are looking for a good IT job, I am once again saying. So thanks for watching this, guys.